We have a fierce storm going on tonight, Tuesday, January 9th, 2017, my listeners. I mean, the wind is howling. Let's listen in. The dishes are rattling. The wind is blowing, I would say, close to about 60 miles an hour. My front door feels like it's going to blast open. Seriously. We're getting ready to get up and go to work. It's probably about 5:18 a.m. And I mean, it's very cold, it's very wet, it's rainy. It's really something. Yeah. Woo! You better have double, triple, quadruple coats on. It's really something out here. I think we're going to see some damage in my city in the morning because the winds are very fierce. It seems as if it wants to die down for a second and then it picks right back up. Woo! It's pretty fierce. It's a real storm out here this morning. It's still dark out too. But California is facing a serious storm. I thank God the storm was not in sight during the California wildfires. We would have really been in trouble. But I thank God that everybody is tucked away safe in their homes. There's a few hitting the freeway this morning. As you can hear, the winds die down and pick back up. So most of it will probably die off by 7 a.m. Yeah, right. Woo! Very cold. Okay, I'm going to close the window and shut the blinds back because it's too cold to let all that cold air in, but it's very, 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 very windy. Yes, we are going through a storm. Yes, indeed. A fierce one at that. I've been in a lot of storms before. This is not that bad. It's only bad when you're in it, right? Driving in it, walking in it. Okay. Let's see what's going on at the front door. Okay. Opening up the door now. Trying to. Woo! Oh my goodness. My door is soaked and freaking wet. Wow. Can you hear it? The trolley's coming through. Whoa, I just got a splash of water in my face. My screen door is not protecting me. Is that what it's supposed to do? Woo! It is really, really wet. I love the rain. Always have since I was a little girl. It's pretty cool there. But I don't like the damage that it can bring. You have to know what to do. Can you hear that? Wow. We must have a Category 5 storm coming through here. And I'm very close to Mexico, so let's say it's an 8. A lot of earthquakes been hitting the area too lately, since October. Yeah, those are the trees rustling together. High winds. Not freezing cold, but cold enough to wear a couple of coats. Windbreakers, stuff like that. Rainy. Woo! You feel that? Or did you hear that? I could sleep so good in this kind of weather. But it's 5:27 a.m. now. Everybody's jumping on the freeway. Wow. I bet you my car is so clean right now. Okay, so I'm going to close the door. I'm not going to stand here in front of the door and freeze to death. I've been trying to get my door to stop jumping up and down. I have just bolted it so it can stay in place. It's just rattling and hoop-de-dooing around here. Anyway, this is Mona Star, and we are trying to keep the winds from knocking down the place. Very windy. I was told yesterday that we were going to have high winds, but nothing like this. I was expecting nothing like this at all. So anyway, it's just one of those days that we have this particular weather, and it's tropical storm weather, you know. Springtime is getting ready to hit. Fall is leaving and saying bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. So, excuse me. So we just thank the Lord for everyone's safety out there. Be careful. Careful driving today. Careful working in the weather. Take a break if it gets too overwhelming, and take precautions and stay warm. Signing out, Mona Star.